Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson DC37C. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson DC37C is losing suction and has a funny smell, it's likely due to a blockage or a failing component within the vacuum. This can result in poor cleaning performance and could potentially damage the motor if left unrepaired. Identifying and addressing the issue promptly is crucial to ensure your vacuum continues to work effectively. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver, a pair of pliers, a soft brush for cleaning, and a replacement filter if necessary. First, ensure your Dyson is unplugged for safety. Begin by removing the dust canister and emptying it. Next, locate the screws on the main body of the vacuum, typically situated near the top and bottom. Using your screwdriver, carefully unscrew these, being mindful of the type of screws used, as some may be Torx screws requiring a specialized bit. Once the screws are removed, gently pull apart the casing to expose the internal components. Look for the blockage, which is often found in the hose or the filter area. If you can see debris or a buildup of dust, carefully use your soft brush to remove it. If the filter appears dirty or damaged, it's advisable to replace it at this stage. To extract the filter, simply pull it out of its housing. When inserting the new filter, ensure it fits snugly. Reassemble the Dyson by aligning the casing and securing it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure to reconnect any cables you may have inadvertently disconnected during the process. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is secured, plug your Dyson back in and test it to ensure it's operating correctly with restored suction. To prevent this issue from happening again, regularly clean your vacuum's filters and check for blockages in the hose. Empty the dust canister after each use to maintain optimal performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.